When you search for smart kitchen appliances, everything looks the same. Same flashy designs, same bold claims. But to find the gems that actually simplify your cooking and living, you need to look a little deeper.
Product number 1, Sispro Cord Organizer. First up is the Sispro Cord Organizer. It's a simple yet clever solution, priced around $7.19. If you want a neat and tidy kitchen without the hassle of tangled cords, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This little device keeps your kitchen counter organized by preventing cords from getting tangled. It uses high-quality silicone that's heat-resistant and provides a snug fit for your appliances. Plus, it's designed to stick firmly and won't fall off easily, which is fantastic for anyone who's tired of messy wires everywhere. With over 500 of these sold this month, it seems like a lot of people appreciate its compact design. Now, some people complained about it not adhering well to textured surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you clean the surface properly before applying, you should be good to go. It might not work perfectly on all surfaces, but for smooth ones, it's a game changer. This is perfect for you if you have multiple appliances cluttering your countertops. Skip this one if you have a lot of textured surfaces or if you're not into organizing at all. For the price, it's a small investment for a more organized kitchen. Now, if the Sispro's minor surface issues bother you, the next product takes a completely different approach to kitchen convenience.
Product number 2, iTouchless Tap Can Trash Can. Next up is the iTouchless Tap Can Automatic Trash Can, priced at $151.19. This might sound steep, but if you're looking for a trash solution that fits seamlessly into a smart kitchen, this is worth checking out. The highlight here is the smart tap technology that allows it to open with just a step, meaning you don't have to touch anything when your hands are full. It has a generous 13-gallon capacity, perfect for families or anyone who generates a lot of waste. The brushed stainless steel finish is fingerprint-proof and easy to clean, which means it stays looking fresh even in a busy kitchen. Plus, it features a natural carbon filter that keeps odors at bay, which is definitely a must if you're dealing with food scraps. Now, some users noted that it can be a bit pricey compared to traditional trash cans, but I'll be real with you, for the convenience and hygiene factor, it's a solid buy if you want to upgrade your kitchen. This is perfect for you if you want a hands-free, hygienic option for waste management. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer the classic trash can style. For those looking to invest in a smarter kitchen, this one is worth it.
So we covered the Sispro Cord Organizer, perfect for managing appliance cords, and the iTouchless Tap Can, which brings hands-free convenience to trash disposal. Both tackle specific kitchen frustrations in their own way, making your life just a bit easier. Depending on what you need, either of these could be a valuable addition to your smart home.